Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita and you're watching another Taste Test Tuesday. Just a little bit different to usual. Now, if you are new here, my Taste Test Tuesdays are about tasting vegan products. Today, I wanted to talk about an experience I had yesterday. Before I get into that, let's roll that intro. Like I said, today's a little bit different and I wanted to talk about what experience I had yesterday at YoMG Goodness. So I found out on Facebook that YoMG Goodness was offering around 200 plant-based protein patties to any customer who would swap out their beef patty to a protein plant-based one. So everyone got free burgers if they did that. Obviously, I wasn't swapping out my beef patty for anything else. I was definitely just always going to get the plant-based patty. So what I got was the Miss Fu burger with the protein patty, and it was for free. And boy was... Oh, you want me to try it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. But before I continue on with how amazing this burger was, I just wanted to quickly point out how awesome the actual place was. Really nice vibe in there. There's plants everywhere. There's this beautiful open plan kitchen, which is so clean. It was full of staff that were all smiling and happy. Can I just say, I go to a lot of different places to eat out. So sometimes it's solely vegetarian places, or sometimes it's mixed. So there's obviously meat products as well as vegetarian options. When I tend to go to a place that does both, there's always that level of anxiety that I feel with, like, maybe there might be some cross-contamination, maybe I have to keep an eye on how they prepare it. So there's always that little bit of anxiety, but I gotta say, I really didn't feel any of that yesterday. I didn't feel it at all. I felt completely welcome. We had our camera with us, so the social media marketing manager actually approached us because she was, I think, curious about the camera, and she was able to give us a little bit of insight, which was great. So she explained to us that the plant-based protein patties are actually cooked separately on a completely different grill. There's no problems with cross-contamination. They take it very seriously to make sure that, you know, you're not going to have to worry about that. So we just got our plant protein with the Miss Fu, I think, burger. So it's all 100% vegan. Now we just got to try it.
Try it?
Oh, you want me to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, can we just admire just this for 2 seconds? It's pretty epic. So we've got vegan mayos, crispy onions, I think, vegan cheese, tomato sauce, the patty, red onion, tomato, lettuce, and more mayo on the bottom. I don't know if I'm gonna fit this in my mouth. This is really nice. There's so many flavors going on. So many flavors, like they all individually taste great. This is really nice. I don't know if it tastes like meat, but I haven't tried meat in a long time. It certainly smells like it. The texture, I think, is different to what I remember meat to be. Like, I thought meat was more sinewy, but I could be completely wrong. I mean, I like it. It's really got that smoky smell to it. I think it's nice. I think it's not overpowering. It looks like meat, and I can't wait to ask an actual meat eater what they think of it. I really like it. So yeah, I'll definitely get this one again. Yum. Let me just point out one more time how amazing the food was. you know, the first bite was great, but as you kept eating it, it just kept getting better and better and better, to the point that I was just like, this is hands down the best burger I have ever bought in Australia. Hands down. Just, there is no other burger out there that matches this burger. And I want to also mention, I know I'm dragging this on, but hopefully this gets edited, thanks Ed. I'm not going to liken them to Hungry Jack's Rebel Whopper. I haven't tried the Rebel Whopper, but what I mean by not liking them to that is, I'm not going to say that they did something that Hungry Jack's has already done, because they've done something completely different. Hungry Jack's cooks on the same broiler as their meat products, whereas these guys have made a point of making sure that this is not available to just flexitarians, but to vegans as well. They're not excluding people in this. They're making sure that they are allowing everyone to have something in their establishment. And they also offered 200 free patties. Like, we're not talking about a massive company with a lot of money behind them who couldn't even do that. Like, they're talking about how expensive it's gonna be to find a way to cook separate Rebel Whopper patties for vegans. That was too expensive for them. You know what? I'm actually not taking that as a good excuse anymore. Actually, I don't even want to talk about Hungry Jack's, because yo my goodness is my burger shop. That's how I feel about it. So I'm really lucky that I've got a burger shop close by to me. Even if you don't have a YoMG close by to you, I would recommend traveling and having them, because they are so divine, so good. Like I said to Ed, I've never walked into a hospitality establishment where everyone was genuinely happy to be at work. Yeah, of course you walk into a place and people are smiling and you kind of realize that it's a bit of a fake smile, but these guys genuinely love what they do. So much so that when I went and told one of the ladies that the food was delicious and I loved it and I'll definitely be back, she was so happy. She was genuinely happy to hear a positive response from someone. It made her day. And what does that mean to me? That just means, like, that's someone who loves what she does and really appreciates her customers. Oh, just a quick note, their fries, their chips, so you get the regular ones and you just opt out for the special seasoning, because that has a milk product in it. If you opt out for that, it'll be vegan friendly for you. So yeah, I guess that's all I got, other than, you know, I just want to say, get yourselves to a YoMG, get yourself a plant-based protein patty, and let me know if you have one. Leave them a review. Let's support these guys. They have done a great job. And I will be back next week with another Taste Test Tuesday, and I will finally be back in the kitchen. Yes, I'm looking forward to this one actually. It's a product that, you know, this particular thing that I will taste test, I haven't had, but I've had from this company and I love. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I look forward to sharing it with you. Have a great week. See you next Tuesday. Oh, I'll be back. We had such a great day at Yo My Goodness that we decided that we were just gonna rush on over to Michael's camera store in the city, and boom,